It's not every day that a tech giant like DJI quietly works on something completely new, but right now, it looks like they're about to make a bold move into the 360 camera market. For years, we've heard whispers, speculation, and leaks until now. This time, we've got something solid: FCC documents, user manual screenshots, and clear, high-quality test images. This isn't just a rumor anymore, it's real. DJI's upcoming camera, likely to be named the Osmo 360, has finally stepped into the light. The first hints about this project surfaced back in October, but things really started heating up when well-known leakers like Hakasushi and Igor Bogdanov got their hands on DJI's FCC filings. And what they found is impressive. The camera design is compact and sleek, similar to the GoPro Max, with two large rounded lenses that clearly aim to capture full 360-degree footage. It's built for immersive content, but what really caught everyone's attention is what's going on inside the body. The teardown images reveal something smart: a 45-degree mirror system. It's the same trick used in the Insta360 X3. This design allows DJI to redirect light toward the sensor without bulking up the camera. It's a space-saving move that lets them pack serious power into a small shell. Think of it as high-tech camera Tetris, and DJI is playing to win. The user manual reveals even more. Full integration with the DJI Mimo app means seamless editing, uploading, and control. It's powered by a 1950 mAh battery, just like the Osmo Action 5 Pro, offers 30 watts USB-C charging, and supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You also get both physical buttons and a touchscreen interface for easier control in the field. It's shaping up to be both powerful and intuitive. There's support for a variety of accessories too, which makes this even more exciting for content creators. But there's a twist. According to tipster Jasper Ellens, there's no evidence of retail movement yet. No prototypes in stores. No signs from resellers. So while it's very real behind the scenes, it might still be stuck in a waiting phase, possibly due to trade tensions or other strategic delays. Still, this is DJI's clearest move yet into the 360 camera arena. They've already proven themselves in the action cam space, and this feels like the natural next step. But it raises an important question: are they too late? That depends. GoPro's long-rumored Max 2 still hasn't launched. Insta360 is strong in this space with the X3 and now the X4, but there's room for a new contender, especially one with DJI's reputation for quality and engineering. Leaked schematics and renders give us a better idea of what we can expect. The Osmo 360, which also appears under the model name OMX, looks highly portable and ready for action. Visualizations shared by Hakasushi show a compact dual-lens body that may resemble what the GoPro Max 2 was expected to be. He even compared it side by side with the Insta360 X4 and the current Osmo Action 5 Pro, and honestly, it looks very promising in terms of form factor. It seems like DJI is designing it with creators in mind. The camera appears to have a front-facing screen for framing and control, plus a simplified quick settings interface up front. The power button is on the side, nothing unusual there, but looking at the renders, the screen might be on the small side. One notable absence is a visible mounting hook. That's kinda disappointing, especially for those of us who love using invisible selfie sticks, like with the Insta360. However, DJI's decision to keep the body compact may work in its favor, and the schematics show two antennas, one on each side, suggesting that DJI is really prioritizing strong wireless performance, likely for fast file transfers and potentially even live streaming capabilities. Digging into the FCC listing, we learned that this camera is referred to as the OQ1, filed by SZDJI Osmo Technologies. The fact that it already has an issue date from the FCC is huge. It usually means a product is just about ready to launch. Testing reportedly took place in early September, which could mean we're looking at a release just in time for the holiday season. DJI has a reputation for making high-quality imaging gear, from drones to pocket gimbals and action cams. If the Osmo 360 lives up to the promise we're seeing in these leaks, it could seriously shake up the 360 market and give GoPro and Insta360 a real reason to worry. So now the question is, would you buy a 360 camera from DJI? Would you switch from Insta360 or wait for GoPro's next move? What kind of features do you want to see in the Osmo 360? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video gave you a clear look at what's coming, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll keep you posted on every new update as soon as it drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.